Kissi Agyabeng, we are diabolic and kasa. Special prosecutor, Braha. We are very diabolic.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Endra Anajo. Ena enya NTSA. The former finance minister under His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Honorable Ken Ofori-Atta. Ni fear ewo cantonment no. Soldiers be. Some people Omako Bora they went to ransack the place. Obia nimnya na omuhwehwe. Na eti asem no. Enyumre ase around 10 p.m. 10:30 p.m. honum na Poladomotre oye journalist ewo Metro TV ni Good Evening Ghana show this when oka say asema esi no enye dampare na asoma police force omunko friend say Ken Ofori-Atta fie honum na enye police for kra na ekọ ho na soldiers military na say military one asoma mu na Paul san drop hint ne say ni oko bisaye no yesi Kissi Agyabeng oye special prosecutor onu na suma nkrofo no say omunko Ken Ofori-Atta fie na omunko se den se ni amuhwehwe oyenti me kire nti asem no basa no na confusion kakra wo system no because enim say Ghana ha ye no ye wo mra na mra na yedi nante enti asem bi say before obeto na mo say military for nko be fi na mko hwehwe na say you need a warrant from the court. Now today early in the morning yeti say special prosecutor Kissi Agyabeng no he wants to hold a press conference. Now and in the press conference na Kissi Agyabeng buy because say there be one suma obia say onko Ken Ofori-Atta fie. Na say asemi ba say obi ananipa bi ko omuko Ken Ofori-Atta fie no. What it means they say either say Ken Ofori-Atta nankasa na akofa plans say nkofo mbe run fie na muka say Kissi Agyabeng na ye na mu di send din keke na oka wie no ena zanka say na onu Kissi Agyabeng no yes special prosecutor no Ukraine meaning is investigating Ken Ofori-Atta for some deal SML deal being or say almost 1.3 billion above price bisa and also add this ECG sensembi or investigating na what your letter come Ken Ofori-Atta say or here no say ombre ni office na omun kasa na bisa no questions ba ku mienu bi and Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers yina no say omu client aye Ken Ofori-Atta no oni Ghana say aye kasa no Ken Ofori-Atta no our US no yes o chili wo ho o yari na meka ikra 2 or 3 years ago you realize Ken Ofori-Atta na name like it was swelling and all those things and a lot of rumors was people were even thinking that he was going to die and we all know say Ken Ofori-Atta ni hu mfa no so they reply Kissi Agyabeng say papa no ne hu mfa no our US and say the doctors Emmanuel Clarence say they say no better me to kwan where he has reached no at least he is stable he can travel. Now in the letters trauma no di mark Kissi Agyabeng no it can specify say here assembly and say here nchechiremu bia on bisa lawyers no.
Kissi Agyabeng, we are diabolic and kasa. Special prosecutor, Braha. We are very diabolic. I will even say you are a stupid man. All along, now MPP for say you knew no. Some of us were against it. Poladomotre. Paula Dumoche, how many times Mabodi? May you're so sorry. I felt to say you just hated the man for no reason. Just only kind of for your turning the lawyer say kasa. So why would you declare him so a fugitive? Are you stupid? You are having a conversation with kind of for your turning the lawyers. John Dramani Juma, Nimkwasi Juma man wahun. John Mahama Kwasi Juman, Una Oba Yamano. In Kwafana, ye free omono. John Mahama Kwafana no more what try now, ye release your what clear omono. What have you done about it? Are you stupid? Kissi Agyabeng, or say Kissi Agyabeng. I feel na me who say wunnimu nyansa. You have no sense. Wunnimu nyansa ba kumpo. Una be John Dramani ne bed na man wo. If that is what you want, sir, we are ready for you. So when you obi lawyer kasa, you cannot declare that person say or a fugitive. Kwasi law school no kwanwefa. Where did you go to your law school? How did you become a lawyer? When you obi kasa, you are talking to attorney. You are in a communication with them. So why would you declare that person say or a fugitive? Are you stupid? What are you doing about Omo ya clear omono? NDC for now almost standing for trial na ya clear omono. What are you doing about it? We are very incompetent. We are very incompetent. Ya kasi you feel ni ye mubi ye against. Sa ye na ye ho. Kissi Agyabeng, are you mad? What kind of madness is this? Are you mad? Wunima juma wa hu. Wunima juma. Theoretical drama be na pesa wo create no una ba be John Jamani adwuma ma no hwe. Some of you know what, there's law in the country. Now I understand Martin Amidu. Now I understand why Martin Amidu was insulting you left, right. I thought to say you were doing a right job until I listened to your press conference and I'm on my way to work and then who says I want Shimipa, you don't have no sense. Hey, you are in communication with his liars, his attorneys, and you declare him as fugitive. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What kind of politics is this?
Now, all the answers that Kissi Agyabeng would require, no, ne can for real at lawyers, no, or why claro say, or mu their answers no be manu. And that was where they were before this whole thing happened yesterday. Now, and that can Kissi Agyabeng kasano. Or see or no, or declare can for real a fugitive. And I'm gonna force it, Jama, who are you? Kissi Agyabeng, bibi how are you? Bibi how are you? You are speaking, you are inviting somebody to come and answer to questions. Nipano or ni Ghana or US. Or share na pomdi, and I say a friend saying his health. The person cannot make it. And on jai na yari sa no break na number 1 asede. Now the person says unti mi chen ni lawyers wo ho. Asem bia wo bisa bia no bisa mi lawyers on be yiwa no. Document bia wo pe bia no bisa mi lawyers on mu di be ma. After they say you are declared the person a fugitive. Now fugitive no. And the offense ben na ya find and I say court bet na say who say kind of is guilty of this offense and ya sentencing now with Johnny. That you are saying is a fugitive. After you have given him 2 options. Either say no be ban and I say and then Charlie, some of the things we do in this nation, some of the nonsenses we tolerate, one day we will regret. We will regret. He said, "Jama obia sorry and open oye." Aden. It doesn't happen any other place except Ghana. Obi yari. Unim baby aoti. Unim ni fee. Unim ni lawyers. na ucho letter man no you say one reply letter no ucho letter man na or reply or reply catch you say oh say ni say oh upe where which man no say upe where which man no ha ni na echi no you say you have declared him a fugitive. Who Kissi Agyabeng no setting nam temekulo John Mahama appointee first batch who stole more than 100 million Ghana cedis. Sem no court no found no guilty no. Then na who Kissi Agyabeng ye found. Setting nam temekulo. Then na who Kissi Agyabeng then na ye found. And na more ben na utu ye. Sednam Temeklo is nowhere to be found. Our 100 million Ghana cedis nowhere to be found. What have you Kissi Agyabeng done about it? Munkofobi. MPP abemo ena unya wo appointment. Manka se enye juma yedi amao. Do your work. But you must do your work without fear or favor. Because you people, there has been a change of government and you are scared, say John Mahama be you move free hunting. You are engaging yourself in witch hunting. Now, say Ghana and ne nipa beti say Richard Jakpa, who was involved in the whole ambulance saga. And ne Richard Jakpa is able to lead military men into somebody's house. What position is Richard Jakpa having in the administration? Meaning we name. We don't know. But this man now has the confidence to lead military personnel to invade somebody's house without warrant. That is the reset Ghanaians have voted for. Kissi Agyabeng, shame on you. I said, Paul Adomochre kaya. Na ye mu bi cry if he say ade we Paul cry na ade na on pe Kissi Agyabeng asem sana sa papa no ni suban. Sa Kissi Agyabeng oni suban baku say. Na nyame ne betua uka. Nyame on ne betua uka Kissi Agyabeng enye MPP ntia aka we nya juma we ye. Aka we ende man we won't talk friend saying bulletproof come out. I mean about you. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications right anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, see you in the next one. Cheers.